Hi my foodies, welcome to another edition of Tufumbe Show, Wanoku Spark TV, brought to you by Chiko Muchuzi Mix, elanga bambita Dorina Sasira, banange kansubire byonna bibatambulira bulungi, kansubire muri bulungi, kansubire wiki batambulidde bulungi, kasamunda bakonga mumanya nzize nemmere koza mafudi nyagala kwebaza bali mu Tufumbe groups mwe bali mukola kyamaanyi feedback atugiraba namwe abazadde bakiriza abaana okulaba show banange tweyanziza nokiriza omwana bambi nalaba show nokiriza omwana nakola ki nafumba nawe kirungi nnyo munange okuyigiriza omwana ate waba yagala kubeera chef muleke following dream ye. Otherwise, welcome to the show once again. Kakati ndisaidize munyonyo nonyo omuyimbi gwe bayita Shakira nabagambye nti ngenda kubanga nyongeramu ebirungo this time round. Jakwamba itira abantu bemumanyi bemutamanyi nenga to having a fun. Okitegeera so ni mukunonya Shakira ndozamanyi owaka wata akatono ina figure oweddalu abafe she's here. Hi Shakira. How are you? Good. Looking good. Sigaba. Tamusuma sheno banange Saturday only on Spark TV Tufumbe Show. So tugenda munda munange. Hey, atulage chagenda tukolero. Agamembo agenda tulaga smoothie. Yeah. Yengo gonda. Yes. Smoothie tugenda mbalagera. Hi my foodies, welcome to yet another wonderful edition Wanoku Tufumbe Show, brought to you by Chiko Muchuzi Mix elanga banange muli ku Spark TV mwebale nnyo abalaba Tufumbe Show feedback njiraba abali mu group ya Tufumbe china 3 groups bobega kwingira mu group gamba Doreen group period enamba eri awo nja kueleza link twina group 1 2 3 nja kuteka mu 3 woyingira muli mu ba professional chefs muli mu ba foodies muli mu ba students tuli muli basically twayigiriza nabaga metino this time round tugenda kwa tuwetera faces ezenjawulo abantu bemumanyi so twayongedde mu kokko birungo okitegeera abamugera kwa naye gwe nino olwaleero mulalu ono yebambi gwe mbaletedde olwaleero bulijjo mumulaba eyo ne mugamba yebannange oyo kikyamanyi yekuuma atya ayina akawato bwe kati esimanya surgery abiganyi bena mugenda bitegera olwaleero. So in the kitchen right now ndoza mulaba Shakira don't do this, I can't stand. Sister wala chuka. How are you Shakira?
Good, how are you?
Oli bulungi. Banang, happy to see you. First time face to face.
Yeah.
Bujja nkulengera eri ku social media nga banange.
I can give you a hug then.
Aine dalu. Sabudage. Ogenda kweyanjulira abantu ba Tufumbe Show ku Spark TV. Tumanye ne chechu tulese wano chichogenda tukolero lwaleero.
Yeah. So Shakira right here with you guys chilling. Tufumbe Show Spark TV.
Yes.
I'm here to show you guys how I maintain my body, how I maintain my waist.
I know, right?
I love taking smoothies. And this is my favorite smoothie. It's a banana smoothie.
Okay.
So ngenda balaga bagikola. Kati engeri gye njikolamu yengeri gye nkuumamu nga ndi in shape. Yengeri gye nkuumamu nga ndimu ebirungo, yengeri gye nkuumamu nga obuwoomi bungi. Yeah, so
nakola show leero. So tewali surgery, bali bagamba bwakola liposuction.
No, tewali surgery ate nga nazala nozala. There's no surgery. I just take my smoothie, I work out sometimes.
Wow.
But mainly this, because omanyi enjala ebe kuluma all the time.
Kituufu,
kati okwewala okulya ali ennyo. Onyoye smoothie emu ng'eno a day.
Oyina akayimba kali latest.
It's coming next week.
Ha! Ogenda twamuka abafe. Cook with love, have fun in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And Shakira has brought that fun today.
I'm so used to cooking with my man around.
I know, right.
I want to imagine how I know what.
Right?
And we're going to have fun.
Shakira Banage before we even start. I love your voice. That's don't love.
Banage. Abatulaba nozambalage bwe nkikola smoothie yange.
Yane nakapera tekajja kubula.
So lokolanga bwe nyimba.
Kale kituufu. Kale tutandike. So tuinawo banana ndabawo bogoya.
Yeah, nina banana. You can call it bogoya.
Bogoya.
Very good size.
Yeah, we understand.
And
another
bogoya.
Another bogoya. I see. The size is okay. Then
and this is my yogurt.
Yogurt.
It's plain yogurt.
Hey.
Yeah. And plain milk.
Okay, agomata. Madam, gali fresh. Okay.
This is biscuits. Mbusura kungulu kozo mwagara babyagala.
Bafe.
Ate na yali in shape.
Right?
Yeah.
Hey.
So you guys.
Okay. So how do we start? Tutandika batya the smoothie.
You have to make sure your blender is clean first of all.
Chitofu.
The environment you're in is clean as well. Your hands are clean. So let me wash my hands.
Okitegera. So nga mbera mbagamba bannage make sure that onaba engalo watanaba kwata ku kyokulya anna kechirwana Shakira owonye mbasubanga nina sekakasa I cannot compete here. Mukwano eno side eno naye ne mabega nedda mukwano.
Okay, so my hands are super clean.
Yes.
Ready to go. My blender is ready. Eri clean dozo jiraba.
Yes, very clean. Tingabokebera blender.
Yeah.
Kusobola kufumbira omusajja boyfriend wo mufumbira ng'ovudde kumina snack osobola kikola like oba it depends really on the mood.
Oli omusajja kumanya talyanga sinza afumbye, so that's how good it is.
But probably emmere engeri snacks ebyowa bityo.
Piraawo binyeebwa amatooke biki lumonde kalo.
Shakira ogoya kalo. Shakira.
So I'm peeling our banana.
Yeah.
Make sure you cut it in small bits. Bisobola okwanguyira blender emekwononeka mangu ewangaale.
Pulira.
Eryenvu limuli malandooza.
Kyotugamba kyetugenda okukola. So basically bwabanga olina n'obwenvu obutono ndooza bukola.
Obwenvu butono obulungi nnyo obuwoma.
Naye ebinaawera ng'oli alya buli ddakiika. Tunaaweza. Anyway, smoothie yakakati tukole ki? Like no testing with Shakira.
In this case, I'm going to use 2 bananas.
Yeah, because you're already testing. Kati afumba bwalya. Bye nofumba.
Atanga nawe oyagala lya.
Atanga nino kutestinga ambagambe munnaye bituufu. Kati newunya kati musajja afumba ennyama gero kobe ennyama ng'ekendedde kumbe Shakira bedda alye ennyama mu fumbiro.
Tinze mpako.
So kakati, as you do the smoothies, how often do you work out? Or kola like every morning?
No.
Ogenda mu gym oba ina workouts like a workout or bakola routine yokumachanga kola sit-ups.
I actually go to the gym.
Every morning? Buli kumacha?
No.
Okay.
Maybe like 3 times a week.
Amata galina okwiranga gali concentrated oba tutekamu ku mazzi?
Galina bera concentrated.
Yeah. Okay.
And then I'll add some yogurt.
Okay. So yogurt inani tumutekamu oba?
Yogurt naye pimisa maaso kati because it's 2 bananas, I'm just going to use my eyes to measure how much I need.
Tuzamuulira bannange pimisa amaaso. Tuli ku banana smoothie ya Shakira.
Banana smoothie.
Okukola ki? Okukuuma the body that's
nga bwokeberamu kolabe the thickness of what you're doing. Yabula ate bimala ng'oyongera mu kirungo. I think that's enough.
So kakati, let me ask. Then batugamba you are what you eat, kati the eating bit. Oli strict nnyo ku diet?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okukuuma like skin yo maybe your body obutageje kwa nange natanse weight loss njachogera mpaka banna mujja kuntegeera. Make sure
buli kyolya obawo ka detox beside. At least have a lemon drink or something hot. Weewale nnyo ebinyogo gange olidde nnyo. Yeah, because that
ofuna bloating.
No, it just keeps your fat frozen in your stomach. Ebero monga tevaawo chovala babuto reyongera because that's stored fat. Obunyogo bubi supporting osigala nga mwebbi. Kati ebyocha bisanula.
So when you go to the
bathroom,
take about amazinga
mulimu lemon agocha. Oba ina ulcers, you could just do warm water.
Tuzamuulira mama si water wora. Ne Shakira.
Waji.
Katumanyi water.
Kati yeah. So I'm going to turn on my blender. Ngabobala. 10, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 10, 11. There we go. Ngabotunula mukola.
Pereze kijiko tulabo bali thick.
Yeah. We'll see.
Okay.
You're not ready for this one.
I think I'm not.
So just one more time.
Okay.
Tunaterolia. Mbere bakumikiriza.
So kati
10, 30, 40,
mudi.
50, 60, 71.
Chocolate tumuteeka mudi.
Nzija.
So nimukuyega banana smoothie ya Shakira.
All right, so
smoothie is ready.
I like the thickness.
Oh yes, I see the thickness.
So I'm gonna pour mine in here.
So how often or smoothie omunywa, like how often?
Every day.
Buli kumacha, but different types of smoothies, yeah?
No, mainly this one because you're single kunyamba okusigala in shape. Yeah.
Ate ebirungo byakozesa mu birabye. Very, very cheap meanwhile.
I'll just use this for now. My chocolates. Chendabanga chenyezo okukozesaawo wano. Just a little bit.
Sprinkle. So
you give it time nekachusa ku color. Just to make the man excited.
So bino bya maintaining weight sigwa yagala okuluzinga.
Maintaining weight.
Maintaining weight your size yo.
Okay, and then I add a biscuit on top. Neka ka biscuit kamenya mu wakati. Kamenya mu bot.
So masina biscuit ne bateka kakagati kakola.
Kainaba ka biscuits.
Biscuit kale.
Nokateka ko bot.
Muna improvising.
Then no sako neka hibiscus wakati.
Neka hibiscus. Na Shakira wacho. Never sebo ne banjabo Shakira. Nakuga. Never nice Shakira.
You see how it looks? It looks beautiful.
Sweetie, nice.
It looks beautiful.
Very beautiful.
I wish I had a strawberry. I would have added it there.
Not strawberry, I would understand.
Hey, hibiscus, yes.
Neda mukwano, netwe yanziza nnyo. Naye tugenda komo by the agenda binywa. Wala tuchali fena wano ku Tufumbe show ku Spark TV brought by Chiko Muchuzi Mix na bakambye ntino this time tugenda by trap faces ezili familiar abamuizo kwati mubamanyi twagala kumanya je balira je banywera chiche balia abagala okusala omugejjo abagala ku maintaininga tugenda kwati byale sirabira that's all lero tulesa Shakira kubanga buli omu agamba akawata akakumya atya banange surgery abagabe si surgery so bwe tukomawo nkyagala okumanya byalya walo bya gatekeeping njagala kumanya bichi byolya bichi byotalya tukyayongera my hibiscus yange toteka my hibiscus
kola glass this is yours
katugenda tumulamu tukomewo Shakira toteka my hibiscus mu yange gwagenda okulya hibiscus wo Welcome back from that show break. Shalife na wano ku Tufumbe show Spark TV. Dorina Sasira lero nina my sugar here. Stubborn girl. Shakira. Elanga bujaba de bagamba bade Dorina. Uleta ko ku Shakira. Aka wato. Nakuzo buli magamba bagenda ku surgery liposuction abagambye nedda bambiye. Ayina no mwana yazala. So temwe kwasa akabasta ko kasobola okugenda.
Tencha yazala.
Shakira ndeka. Kete kiriyo. But the show is probably brought to you by Chiko Muchuzi Mix. So atugambye normally kati this one is for you ayagala keeping her in shape okitegeera ngogamba nzinjaga kumaintain shape obisigala ngoli healthy so bakola ngoli 60 kg nosigala ngoli healthy so agambye akola banana smoothie era gibalaze n'abalaga byoyinza okuteekamu agambye okwata yogurt abade plain yes nateekamu amata mugalabya amata galina okubeera nga gali thick
and
plain well. Toteekamu amazzi na blend nateekamu bogoya nagamba n'ofuna buno obugunde butono bogoya then mulabye biscuits oba cookies yo flavor ne chocolate nekana akalala akamuli kano ka hibiscus nagamba ye mwananga akateekamu abamanyi katugenda kudiginga kadabera nange
I think you should dig in first so you tell them how it tastes.
I dig in first.
I know how it tastes.
Kale. So kenzile ku bali eno. Hibiscus wonso ke mulinde mu katono.
Nice, right?
Nice.
I told you.
The flavor. I totally don't imagine sugar. This is lovely.
I don't do sugar. By the way, cut down the sugars. Cut down sugars because remember, banana is sweet. You know, yogurt has some tiny sweetness in it as well. So you can add sugar. Topping your chocolate, biscuits. You shouldn't add sugar. So
this diet serves for both men n'abakazi.
Yes.
So kati bichi byotalya for you to maintain. There should be particular foods yogamba. This one sibirya oba You could be the kind of person agamba ndia but in portion, small portion. Nenda kukatono?
Senior masava. Wade ndi musava.
Todi ya masava?
I don't. I swear.
So if it's meat,
nebo serving enyama nga buto munju kungula, I don't eat it.
Okay. So if it's chicken katugamba olya party chick.
Kabina.
Never na. Shakira. Kakeka singa ko ne fatsi.
Kaine erinnya kangambe, kaine erinnya.
Twingiri.
Twingiri, yes.
Twingiri.
Yes.
Kati twingiri singa kata kabina mukunkoko ina no lya. Na Shakira once. Oh God. So do you do morning walks?
Yeah, I used to, but it's not safe nowadays. So nadamu gym.
Wadamu gym.
Yeah, I do gym.
And
then sometimes I can do like workouts in the regular n'abantu abalala. Tuweda abantu bangi.
At your routine kumacha. When you wake up, what do you first do?
I pray. And think about it's what I think about. It's the routine, right?
Yeah, routine.
And then I get some water. I must go changa lemon.
Wagambye tuba tusoosa mu lubuto.
Gabaga sosa mu lubuto yagala kabuto kasigale kali flat.
To detoxify.
Yes. Then obulira ngo yagaya ka cucumber. Oba ne carrot. Nga biri awo ogaya bigaye ngo biwaseko. Cucumber togiwatako because the green part is more nutritious. So nenkola ebyo, and then I drink water again.
Still ngotaddamu either cucumber oba lemon. Yep, alkaline water.
Ebyo nobera ng'obinywa. Trust me, your skin is gonna clear up.
Yes. So do you also do one meal a day? Bagamba lyemmere mu oba
zenyiza n'obutalya.
But a smoothie ekusa. Then a chiro walo drink gyoseme ola banywa amazzi nga bagenda kwebaka. Are you the kind of person?
I drink okra.
Just
in case you don't know, okra water. Neteka mukahani katini nga buguma.
Biyamba chikale. Fetugambe kwanga wati biyamba chi.
Okay,
weight loss jana, I'm serious. Ninogenda kujana ne bana abantu. Twatandise weight loss ife.
Yeah, first of all, ogenda ngoli full. When you go to bed, you're full, but you're not full on fats.
Yes.
You're full on something healthier.
So that
so it makes you feel full. Remember gabeera wano gabaga fuluma anytime. So you're full, you go to bed. Gatolide kachacha. Because you know why people fat a lot in bed?
Ebintu
ekyegulade kijanjalo kinyeebwa dodo simanya simanya juni so bagamba you're gonna look like what you put in your body.
I know what you eat. Yes.
So for girls are complaining when they are sleeping they don't know what goes on. It's because of what you put in your body. Imagine the smell that comes out.
No sanga nga boyfriend wako geya nagamba oyo mwala
you're the problem.
You're the problem. You're what you eat. So you have to watch what you eat. In fact, it's really inakuya na vitamin if you can.
So just get that okra water. Take them cloves,
Cloves is good.
Take them cloves. Then take them honey. Because remember, you feed these your sweet tooth, or feed these your sour tooth, they hunger as well. So you're good to go. So
we're about to wrap up. I'm asking about the nails. Do you really cook, Shakira Tugida Mazima? You know how men can be. They be thinking with nails you can't cook.
No, with nails you can cook. You can do everything. Massage,
but do you think we belong in the kitchen? Your perspective. Do you think so?
I don't think we belong in the kitchen. You know why? Because abantu betaaga emirimu. So nkugabanga mulimu. But if my man insists, then I'll go.
Okay, no kusasula after cooking for him.
Yeah, sasula bukanda kunemba sifumbire.
Wajja musajja wa mujja woyo. Akusasula ngomu. Ngana batofumbye.
Making her happy, I make him happy. He makes
so once in a while you can cook. Nayenga it's not a must.
It's not a must.
But wobole ku girlfriend level, do you advise a girl out there agenda chaire guy we amufumbire? Do you advise a girl?
I don't advise a girl to go and cook at a girlfriend level. Kujako omusajja ali extra towards you. Omusajja go meeting in life nakolera ebintu biyitirivu. He deserves all the care. No batana kuwasa.
Ngeya kugulira emotoka. That extra bit no gamba.
Emotoka sina kikulu wa search. But kubanga there's so much there's so much that you need to make ends meet in your life. Not just a car. So right now, but there is so much that goes on around us. Yeah.
I like that.
Mulekera ovugamu obuvuzi abola mwine obuzibu obwo because you're driving your boyfriend's cars or was a gojirina. No, you're just driving for that time.
Right.
As you quench his thirst.
Right.
Era wanafuna Shakira ngajiwamu naye nga naye avugamu nga kuba jikujamu. So make sure you're driving what's yours.
Yes.
Yeah, not what's his. What kaya mwami wange nonsense.
Nonsense. Kati waje kusaba just in case. Do you ever return a gift?
I said tasobola nsiba abasajja ate abakopi bo batusiba meeting angako. Agabana agabulula.
Taba meeting agako. But I love that.
Banange byantuttako siba bimujjako.
Nice, Shakira. Abula mwatu sizza leero.
Ekituufu naye nga meanwhile
yes,
but
Fumba, I love that. Ate then gabo gambe tetulina bobera ku girlfriend level unless ngoli akugattako nnyo. It's okay osobola Fumba. So kakati when are we going to see you man? What video? The music kaliyo. Let's Shakira wansala. So you have a new song.
Yes, I have a new song.
Bakaita
mulondola.
What does it mean? Chitegeza mulondola like
it's a story.
You stalk your man?
Stalking a man, stalking a girl. It's a story. It's a true story. Something I've gone through. A story ate ya nakululala naye nga bulimba lwa kulondola muntu toyetaka kulondola musajja ojja gweddalu. So the song is all about omusajja mulondola. And the person I sang with angamba tomulondola wemalamu.
Oh yeah.
Mutima ojja kwerumya omutima gwa bwerere tomulondola muleke akole bye nawe okole bye waba owajja kuba wo waba siwo.
Ndabagamba sometimes you have to put up a fight a bit. Ogezaako.
Banasajja baganya barwanira. Their wings grow. Bobarwanira, so don't.
Oh, so you might go kola kyosobola kubanga ne wonkwera bina era waba wagenda bajja genda.
Yes, bokola kyosobola. Mwagale mu ngeri yo gyosobola omwagaliramu. Because engeri jinjagalamu omwami wange si engeri emu gyoyagalamu wo.
Because we are different people. Ne bwenkola ki? There's nothing.
Nga yasimye nemba simanyi Fumba kala jatwala.
Kituufu. Ne bange mmere yote wooma jagitwala.
Nze wange wooma. Utawooma.
Kuwooma Shakira. Kati bw'otoyo akapera ka chorus that song of Mulondola.
Ka chorus karo. Twalimba babiri n'omwami bamuyita Jamie Culture.
I know Jamie Culture.
You know Jamie Culture?
Oh yeah, I do.
Yeah, so I singing about them. Kati zimwe ngamba mulondola nga goddamu mutima ojja ggulumya.
Mutima ojja ggulumya.
Then ngambe mulondola ogambe laavu tebagikuta. Mulondola.
Mutima ojja kwerumya.
Mulondola. Laavu tebagikuta.
Laavu tebagikuta. Okay.
One more time. Mulondola.
Mutima ojja kwerumya.
Mulondola.
Laavu tebagikuta.
Mulondola.
Mutima ojja kwerumya.
Mulondola.
Thank you, Shakira. Oh my God, I had a blast today. Stubborn, but Shakira is stubborn. You people. Anyways, bwebale nnyo guys, nga nabagambe ntino this time round. Tugenda kwatubaitira faces zemumanyi, zemuli familiar with, abamu bayimbi, abalala, you know, public figures, abalala, yay! Meza kwatu mbamanyi nenga bajja bayambako, bajja kuba inspiring. All in all, mwebale nnyo kwagala Tufumbe. Mwebale nnyo bannange kubeera mu group ya Tufumbe, groups ziri 3 remember osobola okuyingiramu no joininga era njaga kubaza ne ba sponsors abachiko mu Choose Mix mwebale nnyo tekamu sente until next time. So mwabaagala okukola ki okukuuma weight, those I know what to do, abagambye what to do. Those that want to cleanse your body, abagambye what to do, abagambye sapa mujiveko if you can. So nywa amazzi agabuguma, tekamu lemon bwakugambye for detox, bw'oba tonywa lemon tekamu cucumber, agambye cucumber bwamutekamu tamujjako chikuta tabata muwata alkaline water yo mwetaga mu mubiri. Otherwise banange katuberekereze. Thank you so